Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat Pynïasoh. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA ban deb khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Kementerian Jangka Sarkar jala ke bakmi ikatran ke kakia ke Dr. Amrin Lingdo kelong baga jing Pynïasoh Aadhaar bat ke Mhis card ke de kemon Shimet jagi pat ba bat haka juga por kelong ru balada kenu kelong yeng ke bamat ke jing pang jing sitam ke bajur ke de kendu jing lari kwa ban Pynïasoh kerki ke Mhis card baru Aadhaar haka jing keran bakilat pathai kubor ke Kementeri lakintu yaki pat ba bakin Pynïasoh Aadhaar bagi Mhis card kena bakan ombo jing hi yaki haka pang sitam habaki dan kam yaki jing arab bakirki.
Aadhaar seeding is a voluntary decision to be taken by respective citizens. Per se, Aadhaar linkage to Mhis facilities, there will be few problems here and there where no member of a family have registered till today and a family member suddenly gets very ill. So in those events, seeding may be slightly difficult because a normal period for Aadhaar registry is usually 6 months, up to 6 months after registration. So having said that, we are reviewing the matter on a case-to-case basis. Wherever there is a sudden emergency, we are making sure that we are given all help from DC offices, from block offices, and we are extending as much assistance in the seeding of all of these Mhis cards whenever these emergencies arise in isolated cases. But per se, the problem that we had 2 years ago has more or less been solved, and it is not such a difficult thing in this day and age to link your Aadhaar to your Mhis, unless of course you don't have an Aadhaar at all. So there the scenario changes, and there is when we tell the public to please register your Aadhaar ASAP, so that in case of any emergency you already have an Aadhaar card, and linking it to the Mhis, though sometimes can be complicated, but can be something that is doable.